some free Starbucks drinks, bakery items, some Starbucks cups, and way more for free. Make sure to keep watching this video to learn how. Hey guys, Sophia on Earth here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get free Starbucks. Yes, I really do mean free. And when I say free Starbucks, I am talking about more specifically free Starbucks drinks, free bakery items, free food items, free Starbucks merchandise, free stars, and I'm also going to show you guys how you can have a chance of winning free Starbucks drinks for a whole 3 months. It is pretty easy. No purchases are required, you guys. So it is completely free, 100% guaranteed free, and I'm going to be talking about Starbucks summer games and other games as well. So let's get into it. Starbucks will be giving out summer prizes through the dates July 21st to August 22nd. Over that time, around 2 million Starbucks prizes will be giving out. It is almost like one prize every second. So basically in this Starbucks game, you have 2 million chances at winning a prize. For the Starbucks game, some of the instant prizes are a Rainbow Bling Cup, a Dragon Fruit Floaty, hopefully I'm saying this right, a Boys Sound Link Color Bluetooth Speaker 2, a $100 Starbucks gift card, some bonus Starbucks stars, some Starbucks coupons which are free drinks, free pastry items, 50% off a Starbucks drink, 50% off a Starbucks food item, even 50% off Starbucks merchandise, and 50% off merchandise coffee. And also around 20 people will win the 3 months of free Starbucks drinks, 150 people will win 150,000 bonus stars, and 240 people can win a pair of Boys Audio sunglasses. So now that I have you guys excited for the Starbucks prizes, I'm going to teach you guys how to play. So you must be a Starbucks rewards member, and it is pretty easy to sign up, so I'm going to show you guys how. You're going to sign up by going to starbuckssummergame.com. I will have the link down below in the description, so make sure you go ahead and click that. And basically you're just going to create a Starbucks account. All you need is your name, phone number, and your email, and just create a password and tell them what your birthday is, and you're all set to go. So just by signing up, you're going to earn 1 free play. So that's already an awesome way of earning a play. Now, I did say this was free, but if you are watching this video and you already purchased Starbucks a lot, then this might help you as well. But you can earn additional gameplays every time you make a qualifying purchase with your Starbucks rewards account. And basically in this game, you can earn up to 2 free plays a day. This is a video on how to get free Starbucks. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get free plays. When this game comes out, you're going to click play the game, and you're going to want to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see a bunch of words. Basically, these are like fine prints and stuff, and then you're going to go ahead and click this little thing here that has an underline where it says click here, next to where it says no purchase necessary. And basically, you're just going to fill out your name, your address, and basically what it asks for. So an example here is on the Starbucks Earth game and the Starbucks Winter game. So as you can see here, what you had to do is fill out your information, like you wanted like a daily play, or you wanted like tier play number 2, and basically with those you can fill them out every day, twice a day, to get 2 free additional plays. That's on the first day of the Starbucks game. I think we will be getting around like 4 to 6 entries, because that's how it was in the Summer Earth game. So after every week 1 challenge is completed, you can go down and click no purchase necessary and keep on clicking those on that day to get up to like 4 to 6 free entries. That's what I did for the Starbucks Earth and Winter game. But if you just keep on filling out the form, and then you'll get it through your email, and then it'll tell you to claim your free play. It is very easy, and that's what I did to get these free additional plays, and it's been working for me. I mean, I've won a bunch of things such as Starbucks coupons, Starbucks bonus stars, and even some cups. So this cup I won from the Starbucks Earth game. So with all the stars that I collected, I went ahead and bought myself a Starbucks cup for completely free, guys. You don't even have to pay tax for these. And the original price is $19.95. 400 stars equals around $20 in merchandise. You can go ahead and pick up a free coffee or some free merchandise. So I went ahead and picked out this cup. So this is something that I won from the Starbucks Earth game. This is also another Starbucks merchandise that I won from the Starbucks Earth game. So this is like a Starbucks mug to hold, you know, tea or coffee. So I also went ahead and used the stars that I won from the game. So this came completely free as well, like the other cup I showed you, just from the Starbucks game. So this was also something that I won from the Starbucks Earth game. Now this one, I can't recall if it was the Starbucks Earth game or the Starbucks Winter game, but this one I actually won as like an instant prize. Starbucks literally mailed this cup to my house in a box because I won. You can see here, here's like a little screenshot and the email saying that I just won a cup, and I was like, that's crazy. It just said that I won a reusable Starbucks cup and that they were gonna mail it out to me, and they literally shipped it within like 1 week, which was awesome. It said they would send it to me like 4 weeks after the game finished, and sent it to me literally like a week after I won. This is a free Starbucks cup that I also won as an instant prize from the game. So let me tell you guys, the instant prizes, you definitely have a shot at winning them. But either way, you guys will always be a winner. You can win sweepstake entries, bonus stars, some Starbucks coupons, and more. And with those Starbucks stars, if you're smart and save them up, you can get a bunch of free Starbucks cups like I have been getting. I'm going to be showing you guys an example of the Starbucks Earth game. So basically right here, it's like a little game. All I had to do is click one of the 3 icons to claim my prize. It's so easy, and I could just do this twice a day, every day. Basically, after 7 days, refresh into a new like level or tier, so you can go ahead and claim more entries. When you win those things, it will be connected to your Starbucks account and your email, so you will get the coupon like straight into your email. And basically, to claim the coupons and stuff like that, make sure you want to head to like a Starbucks place. I recommend not going to like the ones that are like in the stores, like a Target and the Starbucks. I'm not quite sure if they accept them. When I went once, they didn't accept it, so you have to go to like a place where it's just Starbucks, if you know what I mean. And then when you show them your barcode, they should scan it and you should be good to go. But I also won like free coupons for free drinks and free pastry items. But as you can see here, I did get a bunch of free Starbucks drinks. It's a great way to just try out some new drinks, so that's what I did. Now here, I'm going to show you guys on the screen what I'm reading off of my phone. So this is basically the alert that I got that we are getting a Starbucks summer game. So the Starbucks summer game is right around the corner. Starbucks reward members can play for a chance to win free drinks, summer merchandise, instant prizes, and thousands of stars. So then it says so many prizes. Every time you play, you're walking away with an instant prize or a sweepstakes entry, which is awesome. Basically here, I'm going to show you guys on the screen. I have a chart here that says the instant winners. So it looks like 2,500 instant winners will win 200 bonus stars. 5,000 instant winners will win 150 bonus stars. 150,000 will win a free iced cold brew or iced coffee beverage, which will come in as a coupon. You can get a free drink. And then 160,000 people win a 50% off a frappuccino or iced beverage coupon. 160,000 people will win a 50% off Starbucks refresher or iced tea coupon. 45,000 will win 50 bonus stars. 400,000 will win 25 bonus stars. And 1,200,000 will win 10 bonus stars. If you think about it, those bonus stars can add up, and you can definitely get up to 400. Even if you get to 150, that's fine, because you can still get a free Starbucks drink. I will leave the website where I got this information down in the link below. But in the Starbucks Earth game, I know we were able to get like free pastries and stuff like that as coupons, so I'm not sure if they're doing that with this game. So this is actually my first time playing the Starbucks summer game. So if you guys want to be updated or need a little bit of help actually learning how to play, make sure you guys follow my TikTok, Sophia on Earth, and my Instagram, Sophia on Earth, because I will definitely post I win each day and every day, and basically also show you guys a step-by-step on how to claim free entries. So if you are interested in this game, make sure to follow me on my social media so you guys can play with me and I can help you guys win some awesome prizes. And then as we continue to read on what it says have a ball, play through some of your favorite summer hotspots by dropping a ball down the game board, reveal your instant win or a chance at a sweepstakes prize. Looks like we're probably gonna click a button and like drop the ball down, and basically we can claim like what we win. I forget what those games are called, but like when you like drop the ball down, there's those little pegs, and I guess you have to get them into like a cup or something, and that determines your instant prize. And I personally think these Starbucks games are so easy to win anything. It doesn't even take 5 minutes to do these. If you guys have some time on your hand and want some free Starbucks, make sure you guys do that. And then here it says new ways to play. Advance from level to level by completing a special task, getting you that much closer to more and more prizes. So as you can see here, it just shows people who have won, where are they from, and what they say. So I will leave the link down below if you guys are interested in reading that. So in summary, make sure you guys have a Starbucks account. Again, the link to sign up will be down below. It is completely free and there are a bunch of benefits too. If you drink Starbucks already and you don't have a Starbucks account, oh my gosh, you are missing out, because on any purchase you can just earn stars and get some free cups as well. Starbucks does these games I think around like 3 to 4 times a year. I started participating really December of 2020, which was the holiday game, and then I played the Earth game. And now I'm excited to play my third game, which is the Starbucks summer game. If you guys are interested in seeing my progress in the game, make sure to follow my socials. This is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!